Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials. Your Irctc account is active, you have passenger names exactly as on ID, and a payment method ready. Once logged in, enter origin and destination stations and pick the travel date. You select class and quota next because availability depends on those choices. Make sure to choose the correct boarding station and arrival preferences immediately, since these filter trains. This initial focus speeds selection, avoids errors, and prevents losing seats to live demand, while you fumble with next, scan trains sorted by departure time and travel duration. Prioritize confirmed/available berths, but consider faster connections if you need flexibility. Tap a train to view coach layout, seat availability, and fare. Choose seat or berth preference and add passengers one by one, entering age and ID type accurately because charting and refunds depend on it. Once done, enable auto upgrade or accept RAC/waitlist rules if applicable. Then review the fare breakdown and any concessions before moving to payment to avoid surprises. Finally, choose your payment option and complete the transaction. You'll get OTPs, so have your phone ready. After payment, wait for the confirmation screen, copy the PNR immediately, and download the e-ticket PDF. This is your proof whether or not an SMS arrives. If the booking shows pending or fails, don't panic. First check bank debits and OTP issues, then retry only after confirming no payment was taken. If money was debited without ticket, contact Irctc support and your bank with the transaction reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.